For my pan tilt antenna tracker here, I've got a servo in there that drives the pan, and I wanted something that was a little bit more precise because I've got it geared right now 2.2 to 1, so the servo moves 180 degrees and it's able to move the antenna about 300, just over 360 degrees based on 180 degree movement on the servo. Now I wanted something a little bit more precise, so I started thinking about using an Arduino with a stepper motor of a small NEMA 17 stepper that I bought surplus quite a few years ago, and used one of the Pololu controllers that I have spare for one of my RepRap 3D printers, and Arduino Pro Mini, and then the Pololu right there. And I've got it wired up right now. I plan to hook it up to the EagleTrees FPV station for the panning, but right now I have it wired up to the receiver, just a high-tech receiver, and the transmitter here. So I put the power monitor on it just to see what kind of current draw I get with the stepper. I set the pod on the stepper, and 0.3 seems okay for now. I might have to tweak it later when I get it onto the unit, depending on how much force is required to hold the antenna in place. I don't think it should be much. But anyhow, you can see right here I've got the stepper connected to the Arduino, and I've got the receiver connected to the Arduino as well. So when I move the stick on the transmitter, it converts the PWM signal from that channel output into and then I have Arduino code that converts it into step and direction code on the stepper. So you can see the stepper right now, when I move the stick right, it moves the stepper right. When I move the stick left, it moves the stepper left. And you can see I've got a little bit of interference. Actually, I think it's RF interference here with the transmitter and the stepper wires and everything overlapping each other. If I move the transmitter far away, I don't get that interference. So basically I've got pretty good resolution. I think that this will probably work out good for the antenna panning function. We'll have to see. I think the interference I'm getting with it is just being caused by the radio or the RF being so close to everything here. When I moved everything further apart, I was able to not get the interference. I was getting interference when I picked up the stepper. It would actually cause movement, so that seems better. I think it's the RF that's, so you can see the antenna for the radio is very close to everything there, and the receiver transmits as well. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if it works.